Hello, Sandersville. Today's math lesson, we are going to be subtracting a group of tens from a larger group of tens. To do that, we're going to start out revisiting adding groups of tens with a little video. We're going to play a game together, and then we will get on to the worksheet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
How many tens? There are 3 students. Each student has 10 fingers. We can count their fingers by tens. 10, 20, 30. 3 students have 30 fingers. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. 3 groups of 10 is 30. Add another student and there are 10, 20, 30, 40 fingers. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. 4 groups of 10 is 40. If we know the number of fingers, we can think about how many students. Imagine that there are 50 fingers. How many students? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 50 fingers, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students. If there are 50 fingers, there are 5 groups of 10 fingers, so there must be 5 students. I have 70 cubes organized in towers of 10. How many towers of 10 do I have? Lyle says that he looks at the number in the tens place to figure out how many groups of 10 there are. There are 7 tens in 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Talisa and I are playing Build It. We turned over the 40 card. How many 10 cards do we need to build 40? Talisa took 2 10 cards. That's 20. Then she added another 10 to make 30. 1 more 10 is 40. That's 4 10 cards in all, or 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. This makes sense to me because the number 40 has a 4 in the tens place. There are 4 tens in 40. When I have groups of 10, I can count by tens to figure out how many I have in all. When I see a counting by 10 number, like 40 or 50, I can represent it using groups of 10. I can also look at the number in the tens place and know how many tens there are.
Our game is called How Many Now? The way we play our game is I will turn over 2 cards. We have to determine which card has the larger number. Then we will build the larger number, and we will take away the smaller number. So let's get started. Here's my first card and my second card. What numbers did I turn over? Yes, 20 and 40. Next, we need to decide which of those 2 numbers is larger. Which one is greater than the other one? Yes, 40 is greater than 20. I can tell that really quickly by looking in the tens place. I have a 2 in the tens place in 20 and a 4 in the tens place in 40. And 4 is greater than 2. 40 is greater than 20. So we need to build the number 40. I'm using towers of 10. I have 10 blocks in each tower. So if I have 10 blocks in each tower, I can count by tens as I build the number 40. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. So that took 4 towers of 10 to build 40. Now I need to take away the smaller number, 20. How many towers will I take away if I need to take away 20 blocks? Yes, 2 towers. Count with me. 10, 20. 40, take away 20, leaves us with, yes, 20. 10, 20. Then we're going to scroll down and record our equation. We started with 40. We took away 20. And that left us with, remember, 20. Very nice. Let's play another round. I'm going to get rid of these and get 2 new cards. There's my first card. There's my second card. Now we need to determine which number is greater, 50 or 20. Yes, we can do a really quick trick by looking at our tens place. We've got a 5 in 50 and a 2 in 20, and 5 is greater than 2, 50 is greater than 20. So we need to build the greater number, 50. How many towers will I move onto the mat to build 50? Yes, 5. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we need to take away 20 of them. How many towers will I take away? Yes, 2. 2 towers of 10 equals 20. 10, 20. And if we look, that left us with 30 cubes, or 3 towers. Let's go down and write our equation. 30, take away, 50. 50, take away 20 equals 30. Very good. I think you have the hang of it. I will meet you back here in just a second.